I wanted to bring you a calming winter afternoon in the horse stable, as I'm really longing for some relaxation at the moment, and maybe you need that too. So feel welcome. I took out Calida, our horse, to clean and groom her, as she also loves some wellness time. Calida is a very curious horse. Horses in general are the most sensitive animals I know. They are very attentive for their surroundings and often see or mostly smell things we don't notice. They can also feel our mood very well, so it is important to be calm, attentive, and in a good mood around them, and they will be your friends. My first horse riding coach once said that he forbids everyone who is angry, frustrated, and aggressive at the moment to even come close to his horses. You should be as delicate with them as they are towards you. That's why I feel the calmest around horses, and I love to connect with their spirit and see the world through their attentive eyes. I also visited the ponies on the field. Sternchen, the little Shetland pony, was lucky to be taller than the snow those days. She has a very cheeky character and is always in the front line when it comes to serving someone a trick.
Die hat mir gerade mein Schuhbändler aufgezogen.
The forest around the horse stable has some truly magical places, where I spent lots of my happiest childhood days. Especially with all the snow, it looked enchanting. In the evening, it got really cold out there, but also even calmer and endlessly beautiful. friends.